Check out the view. I'm here in the middle of a little prairie grass. All that is being engulfed by development, by cities and houses. Look at that over there. New houses are being built, new apartments. All this is brand new, all this concrete, those buildings over there. That used to be a big ranch. All that used to be a ranch. Well, you know, they have a water hole there. Everything's being consumed by civilization. You know, we're expanding. We're taking over nature. All that is a big ass plot of land over there. It's still undeveloped, but most likely it's going to be sold. Then they're going to make mansions, or who the hell knows? Maybe shopping centers. Look at all that land. It's crazy, right? You know, we're just developing. Humanity just like, you know, spreading like little roaches, infesting the planet Earth. But I can be a hypocrite because I'm human, right? Look at that, all that development over there. Look at that. That's a new elementary school, houses. Everything's new. It's crazy. All that is being developed. I'm gonna go reverse on this, babe. So all that is being developed. Look at all that. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's nice to have new stuff, but look at that piece of big land over there. It's gonna be developed. It's like all this. We got traffic over there. We got a car. Yes, I'm recording you. So we got, see, all that is land, and all that is land, but will be developed pretty soon. I'm not a misanthrope or anything, you know, but I see the reality of humans.